Russia conducted artillery and air raids in Zaporizhzhia on Tuesday. So far, Russian forces have been attacking the area near the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant and have also attempted attacking the various nuclear reactors in the plant. However, on Tuesday, various areas in Zaporizhzhia were attacked and air raids were made, and Ukrainian sources say that now the other areas of Zaporizhzhia are also not safe so far. Russia has targeted the nuclear power plant, but now they have attacked various places of Zaporizhzhia, and people who have still stayed back in this area need to move out of the area as quickly as possible, because now no area in Zaporizhzhia seems to be safe. Stay updated.